Hey, good afternoon. My name is Kevin Gilmore with the National Weather Service New Orleans Baton Rouge office located in Slidell, Louisiana. This is your weekly weather briefing for Thursday, February 2nd. Starting off with a situation overview, we got some scattered showers around this afternoon. This will persist into parts of tonight where it'll be mostly light around maybe some areas of showers and maybe some drizzle. This will depart to the east after midnight. Then we'll see sunshine return on Friday. We do have a very cold morning coming up Saturday morning with temperatures flirting near freezing for some areas. The warming trend will begin this weekend into early to middle part of next week while staying mostly dry. And the next potential storm system will be around the middle to later part of next week, but at this time confidence remains low in regards to details. Starting off with what the radar is looking at across the region this afternoon. Like I said, some scattered showers and some areas of drizzle across the area will continue for the rest of the afternoon, going into the evening hours as well. This will be more hit or miss and not a widespread heavy rain event or flash flood event or anything like that. Mostly just showers will be persisting, and then we'll see a lot of this improving as we get towards the early part of the day on Friday. It'll be starting out mostly cloudy, but we'll see some sunshine return with time, which will be a nice sight for many people. So talking about the next 5 days here for select locations for New Orleans, Baton Rouge, and Macomb. You see those colder temperatures there. The coldest morning is going to be that Saturday morning time frame. And then you see that the afternoon highs will be moderating with time going in through hitting the 70s early next week, which would be really nice. Just note that the rain chances you see there early Friday is mostly going to be around midnight to around daybreak. Again, those chances will be diminishing as we get towards a few hours before to right around sunrise on Friday, with sunshine returning and staying dry through the weekend, which is great news for those with outdoor plans. A little bit closer detailed look about the morning lows on Saturday. Again, the left is the probability of min temperatures less than 32 degrees, and to the right is our forecast low temperatures. And you can see that the chances for below freezing temperatures are mostly going to be around from Baton Rouge going across Slidell to Gulfport, Biloxi, and Pascagoula. Onto the north. For the South Shore and a large portion of the Atchafalaya Basin, southeast Louisiana, we're not going to be experiencing any types of freezing temperatures, but it's going to be a close call for areas around like Baton Rouge to Hammond, and again Slidell, and then across the Mississippi Gulf Coast areas as well. Very close call, temperatures in the mid to lower 30s, and higher chances as you get towards the northern Florida parishes, especially to southwest Mississippi, where the chance of below freezing temperatures is a lot higher, and projected lows are going to be more towards the low 30s to even upper 20s in some spots. 6 to 10 day temperature outlook, talking about mid to later parts of next week. Again, we're going to be staying warm. So this warming trend that begins towards this weekend to early parts of next week will be continuing all the way into next week, which is great news for warm weather fans. And talking about the rain chances will also be coming up as well. So because as you know, once it gets warmer, here comes the next cold front. So we are going to have a storm system approaching our area. Right now, timing details and if we're going to be seeing any strong storms with this remains to be seen right now, as guidance is a little bit of disagreement this far out. But the chance of a storm system is looking possible, especially towards the middle to later parts of the week. So just stay tuned for more details as we get closer. And as a summary of what we talked about, scattered showers across this afternoon will be lighter as we go into tonight with mostly just drizzle around. They'll depart to the east after midnight. Sunshine returns on Friday, which will have the coldest morning Saturday morning, with some areas flirting with or surpassing freezing temperatures. Warming trend this weekend into early and middle parts of next week while staying dry. And we'll have to watch the next potential storm system around the middle to later part of next week, where we'll be keeping a close eye on some of the details, and we'll let you know soon as we know anything as we get a little bit closer. That'll conclude this briefing. Hope you have a great rest of the week and a great weekend.